Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, are you excited to start my own lesson for today, girls? That's good. Okay, let's start my own lesson for today. But before starting, let me ask you about the day and the date, girls. Who can tell me what's the day today? Today is Sunday. Let's spell the word together, girls. Sunday. Again, Sunday. And the date is 3/2/1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Sunday. Let's spell the word together with me, please, girls. Sunday. And the date is 3/2/1442 after Hijrah. Now, please, girls, I want you to copy this sentence in your notebook. I think sharks are scary. I think sharks are scary. Please, girls, copy this sentence in your notebook. And don't forget to write the day with the date, please. Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. Here we have use am, are, and is. First of all, these are verbs to be. And as you know, I told you before, I used I should use am with the personal pronoun I am, she is, he is, it is, they are, we are, and you are. Let's do number one. Number one, I am a good student. Two, they are good students. Three, she is a beautiful girl. Four, it is raining today. Five, we are studying English now. Okay, girls? Now, let's let me ask you a simple question before starting my own lesson for today. Girls, can you stay alive without water? Of course not. So, can animals stay alive without water? Of course not. So, can animals and people stay alive without water, girls? Of course not. So, no, they can't stay alive without water. Animals and people can't stay alive without water. قال تعالى: وجعلنا من الماء كل شيء حي. This means that animals, people, even also plants, can't stay alive without water. And this means that we have to thank our God for everything we have in this life, okay? For foods, for water, for everything we have in this life, right? Now, I want you to give me examples of sea animals. Animals that live in the sea. Like what? Like fish, like sharks, like dolphins, like whales, like a seahorse. Okay? These are examples of sea animals. Okay? Now, today, inshallah, we are going to start taking a new unit, which is Unit 2, Lesson 1. And in this unit is about sea animals. Okay? Page number 10 and 11. Please, girls, open your books, page number 10 and 11, and write the day with the date. Write the day with the date, please, girls, on page number 10 and 11. Now, let's start by a definition of an adjective. First of all, we have four parts of speech. We have a verb, a noun, an adjective, and an adverb. So, today, inshallah, we are going to learn what's the definition of an adjective. It's a word that is used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. It's a word that is used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun. For example, we have the adjective happy, sad, beautiful, ugly, big, small, thin, fat, okay? Cute, slow, okay? Now these are adjectives like Amal is happy, Sarah is sad, Ahmed is sad, Sarah is beautiful. These are adjectives. It's used to describe or modify a noun or a pronoun like she is beautiful. Okay now, girls? Now, also we will learn how can I make sentences using I think and I don't think. Let's see number 1. Make a sentence using I think. Here we have a seahorse. Seahorse, and we have the adjective slow, Slow. Now I will make a sentence using I think. Now here, I think a seahorse is slow. I use I think, then I add the noun, a seahorse, then the verb to be is, because we have a seahorse and the seahorse is singular, then the adjective slow. I think a seahorse is slow. Okay? Now make a sentence using I don't think, or also you can ask, what do you think about a whale? WHALE, and we have the adjective fast, FAST. Now I will make a sentence using I don't think. Now I don't think a whale is fast. I don't think a whale is fast. Okay, girls? So I can also ask, what do you think about a whale? I don't think a whale is fast. I can also ask, what do you think about a seahorse? I think a seahorse is slow. Okay, girls? Now, let's take the first word in our lesson today. What is this? What is this, girls? It's a seahorse, right? Seahorse. Now, what's this? It's a seahorse. Now, what do you think about a seahorse? I think a seahorse is slow. I think a seahorse is slow. Or I can ask you, make a sentence using I think. I think a seahorse is slow, right? Word number two, what can you see in this picture or what's this? It's a shark, SHARK. Now, what do you think about a shark? Or what do you think about sharks? I think sharks are scary. I think sharks are scary, right? Now, what do you think about sharks? I think sharks are scary, right? Now, let's see. The first word is seahorse, two, sharks, three, dolphin, Dolphin, right? What's this? It's a dolphin. Now, what do you think about a dolphin? Or make a sentence using I think. I think dolphins are fast. Girls, why should I use are instead of using s? Because we have dolphins, and dolphins here are plural, okay? Now, word seahorse, shark, dolphin, and number four, whale, WHALE. What's this? It's a whale, WHALE. It's a whale. Now, what do you think about whales? Or make a sentence using I think. We have I think whales are big. I think whales are big. Okay, girls? Now, here, what's this? Or what can you see in this picture? I can see a walrus. I can see a walrus. 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 What's this? It's a walrus. What do you think about it? Or make a sentence using I think. I think a walrus is fat. I think a walrus is fat. Okay? I think walrus is fat. Now, what about the last word in our lesson today? Or what's this? It's a seal. 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 Now we have seahorse, sharks, dolphins, whales, walrus, and seal. Okay? Now, can you give me examples of seas and oceans in the word, girls? We have Red Sea, Indian Ocean, Arabian Gulf, Mediterranean Sea, all these examples of seas and oceans in the word. Okay, girls? Now, what do you think about a seal? Or make a sentence using I think. I think a seal is cute. I think a seal is cute. Okay, girls? Now, please, girls, I want you to open your books, page number 10 and 11. Now, I want you to listen, girls. Listen, point, and practice. Listen, point, and practice, girls, please.
Unit 2. Sea Animals. Finding out time. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and practice. A walrus is fat. A whale is big. A seahorse is slow. Seals are cute. Sharks are scary. Dolphins are fast. A walrus is fat. A whale is big. A seahorse is slow. Seals are cute. Sharks are scary. Dolphins are fast. Okay, Now repeat after me. A walrus is fat. A walrus is fat. A whale is big. A whale is big. A seahorse is slow. A seahorse is slow. Seals are cute. Seals are cute. Sharks are scary. Sharks are scary. Dolphins are fast. Dolphins are fast. Okay, now let's see exercise number 2. Ask your partner and get the real answers. As you know, we will do this exercise in the online live, but first of all, I want you to listen. Exercise 2. Small talk. Ask your partner and get the real answers. Are you ready? Okay, let's listen and practice. What's that? It's a seahorse. What do you think about it? I think it's cute. What are those? They're sharks. What do you think about them? I don't think they're scary. Okay, good. Now ask your partner and get real answers. Now we will ask each other girls in the online live together. Now let's move to challenge time, exercise number 3. We have can you use the pictures from exercise 1 to say 3 sentences about sea animals? Here we have examples. Number 1, I think seahorse is cute. 2, I think sharks are scary. 3, I don't think whales are fast. Now let's make sentences here and wrote them here. Write them here. Number 1, 2, 3. Number 1, I think can say, I think a seahorse is slow. I think uh, a whale is big. I don't think dolphins are slow. I don't think dolphins are slow. Now open your activity book, please, girls. Page number 79, we will do goal 9. I can ask and answer for questions about sea animals. We have the listening part, listen and fill in the blanks. Listen and fill in the blanks. Goal 9. I can ask and answer 4 questions about sea animals. 1. Listen and fill in the blanks. What's that? It's a seahorse. What do you think about it? I think it's cute. What are those? They're seals. What do you think about them? I don't think they're cute. Okay, now let's do exercise number 2, read and match. Please, girls, I want you to do this exercise by yourself. Read and match the sentences with the pictures. Now, page number 80, we have goal 10. I can say what I think about two sea animals. We have listen and point to the words and phrases you hear. Now, listen, please, girls. Goal 10. I can say what I think about two sea animals. 1. Listen and point to the words or phrases you hear. I don't think a walrus is cute. I think a whale is big. I think a seahorse is slow. I don't think sharks are fat. I think seals are cute. I don't think dolphins are scary. Now, please, girls, I want you to write 4 sentences of your own by looking at this schedule. Okay, we have I think and I don't think. We will make 2 sentences using I think and 2 sentences using I don't think. Okay, girls? Now, number 1, I think a whale is big. I think a seahorse is slow. I don't think sharks are fat. I don't think dolphins are scary. Okay, girls? Please, girls, don't forget to do your homework or to do page number 79 and 80. And also don't forget to copy the handwriting sentence. I think sharks
I think sharks are scary. This is the handwriting sentence. Now, this is the end of my lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time, girls. Goodbye.